Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use QuickBooks for accounting in your dropshipping business step by step clearly. Start by signing into your QuickBooks account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout to understand where key features are located. Next, set up your company file by selecting the Create New Company option. Fill in your business details, including name and address. Select the type of business entity for your dropshipping operation. Choose the industry category that best matches your business. Now, move on to your income and expense accounts. Go to the Chart of Accounts section. Here, add accounts for your income, cost of goods sold, and operational expenses. Next, add your products to QuickBooks. Select the Products and Services section. Click on New to enter each product you dropship, including details like name, SKU, and price. Set the products to be tracked as inventory. After adding your products, you'll need to record your sales. Head to the Sales tab, then click on Invoices. Create a new invoice for every sale, ensuring to include customer details and when you receive payments, record them by clicking on Receive Payment under the Sales tab. Be sure to apply payments to the correct invoices. Next, input your expenses related to dropshipping. Go to the Expenses tab and select New Transaction. Choose Expense and fill in all relevant information, including vendor details, and regularly reconcile your bank and credit card accounts. Navigate to the banking icon to connect your business accounts. This will help keep track of your cash flow accurately. To generate financial reports, go to the Reports section. Select reports that are relevant to your dropshipping business, like profit and loss and balance sheet. Customize the reports as necessary to get the insights you need. Finally, regularly update your records to maintain accurate accounting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.